A total of 24 guests were on the affected floor at the McGowan Hotel during the specific period. 5 guests have left Australia. The remaining 19 have tested and 18 have tested negative. The one positive is the Victorian man. So to be clear, all remaining guests who were on that floor during the specific period, the Victorian man was there, and remain in Australia have returned a negative result. In addition, 59 various hotel quarantine staff worked on the floor during the same period. 57 have returned a negative result, with 2 results pending. These are encouraging signs, but we're not out of the woods just yet, particularly with the number of contacts that we are awaiting test results for. Unfortunately, COVID is not going away anytime soon. Hotel quarantine is an imperfect system, but is the best system we have, and largely it has worked well, with around 45,000 returning Australians being processed through the West Australian system. Health authorities and governments are still learning about everything this once-in-a-100-year pandemic throws up. We can see the pictures coming out of India at the moment, and it's absolutely heartbreaking to see. What is happening around the world and here in Perth and Peel right now highlights we are not immune to this pandemic, and COVID-19 is still a very real threat. You all know I've been calling for the Commonwealth assistance with quarantine for many, many months now. CBD hotels are not fit for purpose quarantine facilities, and quarantine is the responsibility of the Commonwealth Government under the Constitution. There are a number of Commonwealth facilities that would be more suitable for quarantine purposes. The pandemic will be here for at least the rest of this year. It's time for the Commonwealth to step up and help. My government stands ready to work with them and help establish Commonwealth quarantine facilities. They have a range of facilities available. It's the only way to help reduce the risk further. We cannot continue down this path for another year or beyond. I'll now pass over to the Health Minister to provide an update on testing.
Thank you very much, Premier. Thank you very much, everyone. Can I first of all start by just thanking all the staff who this weekend in particular are working in hotels, testing clinics, contact tracing teams and vaccination centres. We thank you for your great dedication and for keeping Western Australians safe. Can also thank everyone in the community for their patience and their cooperations so far. This is obviously a difficult situation, but the widespread support from the community makes it easier for everyone. Our health teams have been working extremely hard behind the scenes, particularly at our testing clinics and our contact tracing centre, and will continue to do so in the coming days. In regards to the clinics, can I deliver this message? If you are experiencing any symptoms, get yourself tested. If you have been to any one of the potential exposure sites, get yourself tested. And if you're in any doubt, please get yourself tested. We need to do as many tests as possible to find out if there is any COVID-19 in the community. There are numerous clinics open today and over the long weekend. Getting a test is free, whether it is in the public or private facility. You do not need a referral, even if you are attending a private pathology collection centre. As the Premier said, yesterday we had 2,588 people tested in the WA COVID clinics. I can provide you with further information to say that in our private clinics, a further 1,489 people were tested. So far, that means over 4,000 people were tested in Western Australia yesterday. There are more than 25 testing locations in the Perth and Peel region, so please attend one close to you. The Department of Health clinics are at Armidale, Fiona Stanley Hospital, Joondalup Hospital, Royal Perth Hospital, Sir Charles Gardner Hospital, Midland Hospital and Rockingham Hospital, and all are open until 10 p.m. tonight. In addition to that, there are many private clinics are open. Now, there are lines at some clinics, but not at others. So a quick check will give you the opportunity to have your test taken as quickly as possible. And if you need any information, please check on the Healthy WA website. We ask people to be patient, bring some water and a hat, and be prepared to wait. But as I said, there are clinics that are standing ready for you right at this moment.